People in one's life, why so much ego? Because you were born and brought up by someone else. Even your name has given by someone else. Even your knowledge and let you walk and learn how to eat was taught by someone else. Your job was also given by someone else. That the respect you are getting is also given by someone else. Your first bat in your life is also done by someone else. The last bat will also be done by someone else. When you leave this world, you will be paid the last ritual by someone else. And the property you achieved will also be distributed among others. Then why so much ego to be showed off? Just think twice before it's too late, and your regret might be just in vain. That's the thing, ego should be just let it go. And that's the true value of life. मानसिनि जिउआव मानि एफाग्राब अहंकार? मानोना नोंखौ जोनोम होनाय आरो फेदेरनायाबो गुबुनासो। नोंनि नाम आरो मुं थिसननायाबो सोरबासो। नोंनि गियान, नोंखौ थाबायहोनाय, नोंखौ जाहोनो फोरोंनायाबो गुबुनासो। नोंनि साख्रियाबो सोरबा गुबुनासो होनाय। बैदि सन्मान नों मोननाय, बेबो सोरबायासो होनाय। नोंखौ गिबि थुखैजेननायाबो सोरबायासोमोन। आरो जोबथा थुखैहोगोन, बेबो सोरबासो जागोन। जेब्ला नों बे बुहुमखौ नागारगोन, अब्ला नोंखौ गुबुनासो बानगारगोन। आरो दि नों धोन सम्पथि आरजिनाय, बेफोर गासिबो गुबुननोसो हगारलांनांगोन। होमबालाय मानि एफाग्राब अहंकार देखायबावनो? बेखायनो सानदो गोबाव जानायनि सिगां, मानोना उनदाहा जानाङा। बै अहंकारखौ नागारदो आरो हगार हरदो। बेसो जिउनि थार मोन्थोर।